Hello, and welcome to our video series on the Local School Wellness Policy Triennial Assessment for Connecticut School Meal Sponsors. This video was developed in a collaboration between the Connecticut State Department of Education and the University of Connecticut's Rudd Center for Food Policy and Obesity. The Rudd Center's mission is to promote solutions to childhood obesity, poor diet, and weight bias through research and policy. Our vision is that every child, regardless of who they are, where they live, and what they look like, has the opportunity to eat healthfully. Over the years, the Rudd Center has worked with the Department of Education to support the work that they do to provide healthy meals for children. In these videos, we will talk about the Triennial Wellness Policy Assessment. This was part of the USDA's final rule for local school wellness policy implementation. All school food authorities are required to complete a triennial review of their local school wellness policy by June 30th, 2021. The triennial assessment requires school food authorities to compare your school wellness policy to a model policy, assess your district's compliance in both policy and practice with the federal requirements and any additional requirements that are in your wellness policy, document your progress towards meeting wellness goals, and share the assessment with the public and during your next administrative review. Our goal with these videos is to break down these requirements into manageable pieces to help you complete the triennial assessment. We have broken down this process into 4 steps. First, you will need to complete the Wellness School Assessment Tool, or WellSat 3.0. This tool measures the strength and comprehensiveness of your written policies and serves to compare your policy against model policy guidelines. Then you will complete the WellSat interview, also known as the WellSat-I, which is the sister tool to the WellSat 3.0. This tool measures the practices that are taking place within your schools. Next, you will compare your written policy to the practices that are actually taking place in your schools by comparing your WellSat 3.0 and WellSat-I scores. And finally, you will summarize your findings and prepare them to share with the public and at your next administrative review. Each of these steps will be covered in a different video. Directions on how to complete the WellSat 3.0 are covered in the next video, Video 2. Directions on how to complete the WellSat-I are covered in Video 3. Directions on comparing your WellSat 3.0 and WellSat-I scores to identify how your policies and practices are connected are covered in Video 4. And finally, directions on how to summarize and share your findings are covered in Video 5. By the end of this video series, you will be able to score your district's wellness policy using the WellSat 3.0, become familiar with the WellSat-I measure and how it works, compare your WellSat and WellSat-I scores, understand how to interpret the findings from the policy scoring and interview questions, establish a plan on how to complete the interview questions, and establish a plan on how to write up the findings and share both internally and externally. Thank you for your time, and we hope you find this video series informative. For more information, please visit the Rudd Center and WellSat websites.